Hi, this is Dr. Duncan McCollum. Thank you so much for having interest in my book, Turn Back Your Biological Clock. I just want to give you a couple pointers on how to get the best results out of this book. You'll see a few other links here that are going to help give you a lot of information to fill in the blanks as you're reading the story about Fred and Judy and how they end up getting their health back. The one on the cellular healing diet will be Dr. Dan Papa and myself talking about toxicity at the cellular level and what we need to do in order to get that handled. There's also a great video of Dr. Dan McClinen and myself talking about this thing called peripheral neuropathy and what you can do to reverse it, where most people say it can't be reversed. Also, the whole book is on the premise of the 7-week cellular healing diet program. And so you will have the option of signing up for that course. There's a link that says the 7-week course, and feel free, there's a coupon that you get $50 off of the course. And it's put together by Dr. Dan Papa. However, we have the course for you specifically in this book. And then also something very important is vitamin G. Make sure to click on the link about vitamin G and find out how important it is. It's how abundant it is, but if you don't know where to look for it, you'll never get it. So enjoy the book. I hope you have a great time reading it, and it will make your health much better. So may you never be the same. Thank you so much.